Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received my new Igloo with a capacity of 62 quarters and 98 cans. Very nice one. Yeah, you open it and you can see it has a very big capacity of carrying. Right now mine is a bit 30 because I used it the other day, but it's amazing. I tested, it's a great buy. I like this cooler a lot because of many reasons. First of all, it's easy to carry. You can use this handle, you can move it with the wheels, and you can also use these both handles at both of the sides of the cooler. It also comes with this exit for the water, so when you can leave it open if you got some ice on it, and the water of the melted ice will come out on its own without you needing to open it and throw it away. As you can see, it's very insulated, so you don't have to worry about your beverages, your cans, or even food you can carry here gets bad. You can use it if you want to go to Paris, if you want to go to camping, if you want to go fishing, you can also use it. It's very practical. It comes with these 4 spaces so you can put cups and cans. So yeah, I really recommend it. You can see it's on perfect place. I like the colors a lot and it's very nice. And if you don't have if you need one extra share, you could obviously set up on it. It's not recommended, it's not what it's meant to do, but things can be used on both ways. So yeah, really recommend it.